How to reactivate deleted Spotify account. Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Talks. If you want to reactivate a deleted Spotify account, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, open your Gmail app and then tap on the subscribe button before we move forward. So after subscribing us, all you need to do is as soon as you delete your Spotify account, Spotify will send you a mail. So here you can see I have got multiple mail from Spotify. So open this one. This is our last goodbye. So simply tap on it and then simply scroll down, and here on bottom of your screen you will find this option reactivate my account. So tap on it. So as soon as you tap on it, Spotify will reactivate your account. But you must remember that you should click this button within 7 days of deleting your account. As you exceed the 7 days time limit, there is no way that you can get your account back. So hurry up and do it as quick as possible. So this is all you need to do to reactivate a deleted Spotify account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.